Here again. I'm often asked to see newborns, and then the most important question or most often asked question is my newborn baby normal? And so I have over the years been answering the young mothers and reassuring them, but I thought I'll give you a list of conditions that they are concerned about. So let's start from the head. The head is generally supposed to be round, but at the time of birth, usually there may be a little bit of a swelling, especially the back side of the head, either on one side or both sides, or the entire head may be swollen a little. That's because of the birth process, and it generally gets better with time, and there's nothing you need to do. So give it a little time and it will improve. Similarly, in the eyes, there is invariably swelling around the eyes, which is also normal, and that is to do with the birth process. And sometimes if there is a difficult delivery, the swelling might be even more. The next most common thing in the eyes is like a little bit of what we call a bleeding spot. It is actually a moon-shaped circular ring around the white of the eye and the black of the eye, and it's considered a hemorrhage. It is actually a hemorrhage, a little bleeding, but that is also due to the pressure of the delivery, and this will go away on its own. Sometimes the baby's eyes may sort of go out a little or come in a little at different times, and that is considered normal also. As long as it's not constantly present, we don't need to worry too much about it. The abdomen seems to be a little larger, a little distended in the newborn compared to later on, and that is fine generally. And the chest, sometimes it seems to move a little bit faster. That has got to do with the greater breathing rate, and that is also normal in newborns, and especially in babies who come early or who are premature, the breathing may be even faster. And in premature babies, sometimes the breathing can be erratic, which means that the baby may breathe fast for a while and then slow down, and sometimes it looks like they're not breathing, but they will come back to breathing. Similarly, the legs, parents are often concerned, are the legs normal? So a little bit of bowing of the legs is all right after the doctor has checked and everything seems to be all right. Then you don't need to worry, and this will also, with the passage of time, get better. Sometimes if the delivery has been breached, that is feet first, then the legs may be pulled up a little bit, but that will also settle on its own. The next concern is the feet, and besides the hands and feet being blue for a short while, that improves with time. The concern is with the position of the foot. So sometimes the foot goes in a little, sometimes it goes out a little, but if they are what we call flexible, that is that with your hands you can correct it back to the normal position, this will also go away. The last item is the skin, which also concerns parents quite a bit. There might be a few birthmarks that are often present around here or the nape of the neck, and sometimes the rest of the body. But these are birthmarks, and they're called small hemangiomas, and they will also get better with time. And the dark spot, which is often present on the back but may also be present on the legs or the feet, which is called a Mongolian spot, that also goes away without any treatment. The genitalia are a little darker in most babies compared to the rest of the body, and this is also normal. A baby passes stools within the first 24 hours and passes urine in the first 24 hours. So this is what is expected, and most of these are normal, like I said, and all they need is reassurance. In case you're interested, you can get a book on newborn from my clinic when you visit the next time. I hope this has been of some use to you.